Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Dope Trades. My name is Deepak and we will be taking a 5-minute trade on IQ options with the help of a price action strategy. And if you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing and do not forget to hit the bell icon. So without any further ado, let's get started. Hi guys, we are now live on Euro USD. So let's just analyze the market quickly. Since yesterday the market was moving down, and as of now if you can see, the market is ranging between these two zones. So let me just draw some support and resistance level. So we are in a ranging market, moving between. Market is making new highs and lows, but if we would have been a little early, we could have taken this breakout trade. So as you can see, there was a breakout from this symmetrical triangle again. Like yesterday, we took a breakout trade, something with a similar setup yesterday. The market broke down, we saw the retest failed, and we took a down trade for 5 minutes. So let's see where are we right now and what would be an opportunity for us to take a trade now. As you can see, the market has broken down and come into the trading zone again. I believe the market must come back down. If the market breaks this level, we can take a downward trade, because I can see a double top forming. So let's just wait. I'll skip forward to the part where I take the trade. So guys, as you can see, I have placed a trade. Like I said, the market was forming a double top pattern, and this was the major support level. As you can see, the previous symmetrical triangle support zone was here, and the horizontal level was here, and also the uptrend was broken. So with all this, I feel that the market will break from this structure and continue moving downwards. So let's just wait and see how the trade goes. Very unfortunate, guys, that we ended in a loss today. I believe this must have been a false breakout, or yes. Let me explain the setup why I took the trade. As you could see, one more mistake that I did is I drew too many support and resistance line, which I was not able to find the actual key support and resistance level. In fact, this was the key support level over here. If the market had to break this structure, then is when it's going to move in downwards, and this wasn't a double top, as the market was just ranging and moved just above the range and forming a double top. So this wasn't a clear breakout. As you can see, I thought this was going to be the breakout, so I took an aggressive trade which went against our analysis, and we ended it in a loss. And I'm okay with the loss because this is a learning lesson for me. and I'm still a learner. I'm still learning about trading. So throughout this journey, I am okay and welcome for all the experience that I gain through our losses. So that is it for today's 5-minute trading session, guys. I'll see you again in the evening with the 1-minute trading session. Thank you and have a good day. Bye.